PET PLAST India at Water Expo Chennai 2025, proudly representing PET blowing innovation PET PLAST India. Water Expo Chennai was an incredible experience for us from day one. We attracted industry professionals eager to witness our latest PET blowing solutions in action. Water Expo Chennai 2025 was a grand success for PET PLAST India. We cracked multiple deals, helping businesses scale their operations with our high-performance PET blowing machines. Meet the team behind our success. With a strong presence in multiple countries, PET PLAST India is proudly serving industries worldwide. Thank you to everyone who visited PET PLAST India at Water Expo Chennai 2025. We look forward to serving you with the best PET blowing solutions. See you at the next event.